Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Joywear 2. First, make sure your Joywear 2 device has sufficient battery power. Next, download the Joywear 2 app from your phone's app store. Once installed, open the app and enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. This prepares both your device and phone for a smooth connection. Follow the on-screen prompts within the app to begin the pairing process. Once Bluetooth is active, open the Joywear 2 app and look for the Add Device or Pair Device option. The app will then scan for nearby Joywear 2 devices. Select your specific device from the list that appears on your screen. You will receive a pairing request on both your phone and the Joywear 2 device. Confirm it on both to establish the connection. This usually takes only a few seconds. After successful pairing, you can personalize your Joywear 2 settings directly within the app. Adjust notifications, set activity goals, and explore various features. For consistent data synchronization, ensure the Joywear 2 app is allowed to run in the background. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your smartphone and the Joywear 2 device often resolves the problem. To maintain a stable connection, keep your Joywear 2 device and smartphone within a reasonable range, typically about 10 meters. Remember to regularly check for and install updates for the Joywear 2 app to benefit from the latest features and performance enhancements. This ensures your device operates optimally. Also, for staying refreshed throughout your day, check out the Owala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.